it is important that you know how to defend yourselves using the sacramentals. Marami ka na kami mga cases. Okay? Halimbawa, Father, maraming, usually yung mga demonyo, usually kumakapit yan halimbawa sa loob ng isang bahay, usually sa mga banyo yan, sa toilet area. Father, palagi ang baho dyan. Kahit pag nilinisan namin yan, palagi mabaho. So I said, put salt, exercise salt doon, with some prayers of liberation, and tignan nyo, ano mangyayari. So ang dami nang gumawa niyan, nagugulat sila, biglang nawawala yung amoy. O nawawala na ang kasi yung iba, pag naliligo sila, parang may nakatingin sa kanila. Okay? Because demons usually attached to, in the house, usually the corners of the house, usually sa mga bodega, usually sa mga toilet areas, doon sila madalas kumakapit. So, use sacramentals there, like holy water, exercise salt, exercise oil. Yung oil, yung langis, dapat it is pure olive oil at may blessing ng pare. You use it on the four corners of the room. Okay? Lord, bless this room. Protect us. Drive away all evil spirits. Dapat may kasamang dasal para mas mabisa because faith strengthens the sacramentals.